Applaudissements, mesdames et messieurs, pour Pablo Leton. Il arrive. À 26. Il va représenter le team et le team manager récompensé. Je rappelle au commissaire.
My weekend was okay. I make a good race in the first one. I won with all shot, so it was quite easy for me. And then the second one was completely different. I made like a bad start and came back second and fight with Jonathan. I saw that Gregory was pretty far, and then I didn't push any to come back on him. But I show everybody that I was ready for the GP.
Yeah, my weekend was good. It was a good training for Bulgaria. And in the first race, I make a bad start and come back. It was difficult, so I make 3. And the second race, I make the whole shot, and it was more easy. And I finished first, so I'm happy. And it was my bike was so good, so I'm pretty happy.
Today, third position in the overall. First race, I don't have so good a start, and was so difficult to come back to the first and second race. I have when I was second, I have a crash in the corner, and then after I finished 3. But I am happy with this. It's not my championship, and I come just for make one race, and was nice.